find a comfortable place. Sit or lie down. Close your eyes. Let us start by being aware of ourselves. Take a deep breath. Allow yourself to be present. Bring your awareness to the top of your head. Now focus on your face. Move your focus to your right arm, from your shoulder to your fingers. Now your left arm, from shoulder to fingers. Pay attention to your right leg, starting from hip and moving towards feet. Now your left leg, starting from your feet and back to your hips. Pay attention to your stomach. Pay attention to the movements of the stomach. When the breath goes in and when it comes out. Now turn your attention to your thoughts. Perhaps you are thinking of an event that will happen today or tomorrow. And it may also be that as soon as you focus on your thoughts, they disappear and a blank screen appears in the mind. Some think in the form of pictures, some in the form of sounds, some in the form of memories, some in the form of ideas. And the things you talk to yourself are also thoughts. You may be thinking that you have no thoughts in your mind, but this is also your thought. If your attention is focused on the sounds around you or on a physical sensation, slowly and lovingly redirect your attention to thinking. Focus on the screen of your mind. You may not be able to see the screen, just a sense of darkness or light. If this is the case, then don't worry about this thought too. Don't force yourself. When a new thought comes up, pay attention to it without getting confused with it. Don't try to think in your mind. Not to take it out. If you don't have a thought, don't force your thoughts into your mind. If with the thought comes emotions, for example, anger or grief or tension or feelings of joy, remind yourself that thoughts are not real. The more seriously you take your thoughts, the more it will disturb you. If there are painful thoughts, let them come. Thoughts are neither good nor bad in themselves. Accept these thoughts as they are, don't try to change them. Stay focused on your thoughts. Now take your attention to your stomach. Pay attention to your breathing. Now, slowly open your eyes.